So, guys, day three of Young Philly's trial in Australia, and today, the victim had shown court photographs of her injuries as, um, after the alleged incident, the alleged assault, all charges, and that. I think about a day or two later, she went to like a sexual health center where she reported her problems, and then a doctor at this center took photos of her injuries. I think they took about 21 photos. So, of course, today in court, they had gone through these images to obviously see if it corroborates if her story or not. So let's get into this article. Yeah, man. So, ABC Australian Broadcast, I think it's Australian Broadcast Centre, they have reported young Phillies are charged trial shows photos of alleged victims' injuries. They're spelled young, by the way, but yeah, man. Okay, so graphic photographs of injuries allegedly inflicted by an internationally renowned star infatuated in his hotel have been shown to a jury at his trial in court. So obviously, for those that haven't watched my previous video, pretty much Young Philly was scheduled to perform on the September 24th, 2024. No, September 27th, 2024. And after that performance, he had taken a woman back to his hotel. You can see here they had consensual activity before certain things occurred, and that went past what she was comfortable with, which ultimately results in what he's been charged with now. So, of course, Philly denies everything that's been brought against him. And as you can see here, the court heard evidence from the SA specialist who examined her, the victim, at the sexual assault resource center 2 days after her alleged ordeal, man. As you can see here, Dr. Hoy took a series of close-up photographs of the 20-year-old's face, neck, and breasts, and they were shown to the jury, depicting multiple large bruises and swellings. 21 photos were taken here, which were described as green, purpley bruise on her neck, a linear bruise on her neck, and large yellow bruise just above the right areola of the breast. Nearby in the same breast was another bruise about 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters long. Yeah, 4 centimeters there, 8 centimeters. I'm saying high. So fairly big bruise to be fair. And of course they describe the photos in detail. And obviously the expert is there to obviously make sense of the images because it's one thing presenting them in court, but of course with the expert who's took the photos and things like that, they obviously need to explain the photos and to make sure that it corroborates with what the victim is alleging. Because obviously she's saying that she was bitten, she was strangled, she was beaten. No, well, not badly beaten, but she was beaten to some extent. He was rough. So of course these images confirm that some rough play, some foul play was involved. You know what I mean? Um, Also, the doctor says that some of the bruising and swelling on the left side of her neck can be caused by, you know, obstructing the jugular vein, getting choked. Um, and of course, as he says here, that the woman, the victim, had a crush on Philly before. Obviously, she was a fan, and must have seen, oh yeah, Philly's coming to Australia, coming to Perth to perform. Wow, and she saw this as a chance to get with Philly. Not to say that that means it's her fault. That doesn't mean that. Obviously, it just shows you that as someone who's famous, you have clout. That girls they're already on you before you've even hit the country. You know what I mean? This girl knows I want to get with young Philly. It's crazy, man. Um, so this was in this article where they pretty much showed the photos of the injuries the victim sustained, and then there's another article as well uh, that also just shows that explains how the woman was scared the rapper wouldn't hurt her again. Things like that, man. That was from day one, actually, so we'll leave that one there. Um, but yeah, man, yo, obviously, at the moment, it's still not looking good for Philly. But of course, his defense and things like that haven't. It's not been a day yet where they've been able to explain their side of the story and things like that. Obviously, at the moment, the victim's story is checking out. She's claimed, you know, I was, I was raped. I was raped. I was essayed. I was choked. I was bitten. I was, I was beaten. You know, and the images kind of confirmed that she was at least strangled. She was bitten at least. So, yeah, man. I believe really the Phillies defense is gonna have to prove that it was in fact consensual, and the woman, you know, there was no fear. There was, you know what I mean, and that it's cap. That's that's it. But they need to prove it's cap. So, yeah, man. Obviously, as it stands, it's not looking good. But obviously, that's just a quick update. I think I'll give you guys that. So far, um, they've analysed the images brought forward by the victim, and it's currently not looking good. But I'm sure day 4, day 5, we'll see some things from Philly side of defense and things like that. You know. So obviously, guys, if you're enjoying the coverage, please let me know in the comments down below. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.